You don't need a radio to listen to WJOL. Just ask Alexa to play 1340 WJOL.
You're listening to Will County's News Talk Sports 1340 WJOL. It's a Tuesday morning, and it's time for the Money Talk radio show brought to you by NuMark Credit Union. Coming up over the next several minutes, we're going to talk to a couple of experts from NuMark about 2025, the year. I'm going to be dramatic about this now. The year of savings. So I should have had that reverb going where it would have echoed. That would have been really cool. Before we introduce who we're going to be talking to today, I want to remind you that you can grow your money your way. NuMark Credit Union is offering 4.25 APY for terms of 13 months. This is a CD or IRA special. Act now. Available only for a limited time. Other rates and terms available. Federally insured by NCUA. Call 815-729-3211 or visit a NuMark office near you. NuMark Credit Union, where you are family, and this little heads up also going to be giving you a chance to win a $25 Visa gift card. Compliments of NuMark. We'll do that at the end of the program, so stay tuned for your chance to win. Got it? I hope so. Good. Sonia Garay is a regional branch manager with the NuMark Credit Union. She joins us on the Turk Furniture studio line. Hi, Sonia.
Hello there.
Thanks for coming on. Happy 2025.
Happy New Year to you, too.
Yeah, did you do anything fun on New Year's Eve or just kind of chill out a little bit?
I actually had a chance to relax, and that was like one of my main goals, just to kick back and do nothing.
That was your party, right?
Yes.
A party on your couch. Also, Sandra Palma is here. She's a branch manager with NuMark. Hi, Sandra.
Hello, how are you?
Good. Happy New Year to you. And what did you do on New Year's Eve?
Same. Just stayed home, relaxed, and watched TV all day.
Man, we're either all getting smarter or getting older. One of the two, or maybe both.
Smarter.
Yeah, okay. We're sticking with that one. I like that one. All right, good call on that. Well, guys, thanks for coming on. We appreciate it. We are going to talk seriously about the year of savings, 2025. We gave you a great way where you can grow your money with that CD IRA special. So that's really a great way to grow your money. Get 4.25 at the end of that rainbow. But let's talk a little bit about these ladies about something else that we can do also. As far as saving money is concerned. Sonia, you are the regional or a regional branch manager. So what are some of your responsibilities and what's your role within the credit union at NuMark?
Yes, I'm one of the regional branch managers. I oversee 3 locations with wonderful, I have a great group of team members that my responsibility or one of my goals here at NuMark is to make sure that my team provides great member service to all of our members. We also try to get involved with the community. We look for opportunities to help other people in our community. It's basically just, growing our team, making sure they're qualified and responsible and giving it their all.
Good.
For our members.
Sandra, what about you? What are some of the things that you do on a daily basis?
Well, I'm the branch manager here at Bridgeport location. I manage 4 employees, so basically I manage a daily routine of basically the number one thing is just the loans-wise department. We do the auto loans, the personal loans, and consolidation loans. So we do a lot of basically helping out our members save money and to lower rates, whatever they need to be lowered, and help them save every monthly.
Good.
Their budget.
Well, saving is a common goal for many, many people in the new year, and that is the topic of conversation today. If someone wants to save, what are some of the tips to help get someone started? So, ladies, jump in on this. It's probably the mindset first and foremost, isn't it?
Yes. So one of the first things I strongly recommend is for everybody to write down your expenses. When you write down your expenses, you're able to see where your money is going. And next, you want to eliminate any unnecessary expenses. And that's like coffee. Instead of buying coffee, you can make it at home, making your own lunch, just finding ways to save you money. And also reviewing your high interest loans, and that could be like your auto loan, your mortgage, consolidate your credit cards. You can visit one of our locations, and we can actually really are happy to help you get to your goals.
Yep.
And of course, setting a goal. If you set a goal, it makes savings more meaningful. So those are some of my tips. And always review your progress and see where your goal, where you're at with your goal.
Yeah, you got to track what you're doing, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yep.
If you keep track of it, you'll see your success and your progress, and you'll get motivated to continue doing it.
That's right. Let's talk a little bit about checking accounts now. Sandra, when you think of saving, you don't think of checking account, but I think you're probably going to tell us different, right?
Yes. You have to basically track. I mean, we do offer free checking account as well. Mm-hmm. So you have to have no minimum balances on there. But obviously, you do want to use it because we do offer the debit card, and it also helps you manage your spending as well with your debit card.
Right. So free.
Two of our products that we offer. I'm sorry, Scott.
No, go ahead. You're good. You're good, Sonia. Go ahead.
Two of our products that are really popular with NuMark Credit Union is Common Sense, where you earn 10 cents for every signature-based or online banking transactions. We also have a high-yield interest checking account, which you also want to look into whenever you're thinking about starting to budget your money or saving money. You want to look for good products. And we have several good products that can help you with that.
Awesome. Very, very cool. And all you need to do is talk to a personal banker at any of the NuMark locations, and you can find out about all of those products, or you can go to the website. So, yep, we'll give you that in just a little bit. All right, so let's get into this budgeting process. Some tips for people who are trying to learn how to budget. How do we get started with that?
So, like we basically said earlier, is keeping track of all your spending. Open a checking account. Look at what you're spending your money on. It gives you an idea of what you should be doing, whether you should be buying things online or not buying things online, or eliminating any unnecessary transactions or debts that you don't need. And one of the first things that I also recommend is writing down all your expenses. Mm-hmm. Come into one of our locations and see what we can do for you. Ask us for help. We're more than happy to help anybody out. We start with every member, and we don't let them go until they're happy, satisfied. We're there with their whole journey. So it's where, like it says, this is where your family. So that's what you want to do, is go to a place where they treat you like family. They're listening to what your needs are. And they're not just giving you products or service just because they're trying to make a sale or anything like that. Sure. We listen to what our members' needs are.
Right, absolutely. We're talking today with Sonia Garay. She's a regional branch manager of NuMark Credit Union, and Sandra Palma, branch manager for NuMark Credit Union. This is Money Talk, giving away a $25 Visa gift card in just a couple of moments, so do not go anywhere. What about a new car purchase? New car sales were up. GM and Ford both had monster years, so people are buying new vehicles. What should our first steps be moving forward towards that?
Basically, the first thing I do recommend is to go to any one of our branch locations and have us take your credit application and get your pre-approval to let you know how much you're approved up to and how much can you get with budgeting with your income, and get you and your car your dreams.
All right. Do you guys also, when it comes to buying big ticket items like a car, for example, and obviously a home, do you do, Sonia, any credit counseling as well?
Yes, we do. So if, for whatever reasons, if there is some kind of ding in their credit where they had some financial difficulties in the past, we have conversations with our members and we let them know that what's the next step. So we guide them throughout the whole progress. So just because they don't, let's just say they don't qualify at that time, it doesn't mean our relationship ends there. We continue our relationship with our members. We get them to the next step until they're where they should be or where they want to be. So we've had a lot of success with a lot of members that came to us because I hate to say it, but a bank turned them down. Mm-hmm. And they come in and they tell us, you know what, they send me here, but I don't know if I qualify. I'm like, well, let's take a look at it. Do you mind if I ask you questions? And they're like, sure. So you have to really listen and look at what you can do for this person. Not everybody is the same. Everybody's different, so you have to cater to their needs. Yes, we do offer financial counseling. We provide seminars. We have our loan officers are very, very well educated on that department as well.
Very cool. Very, very good. So let's get into debt now. People have debt. There's no doubt about that. I don't know of anybody who's completely debt-free. That's hard. So if someone has debt and wants to eliminate that so they can start saving, how do you get started down that road?
I would strongly recommend
getting all your debt together, all your credit card statements, getting them all together.
There you go.
And then adding them all up. Obviously, vice versa, how much the balances are, your payments, how much money we could save you with just one payment and a lower interest rate.
All right. So consolidation. You guys have cards available, correct?
Yes.
Okay, good. That'll help because that's a big place to start because people are trying to play catch up on credit cards and you're basically paying down your interest. You don't get to the principal.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Good. Let's talk to people that have little ones in their lives, or maybe not so little ones, 20s, teens, or whatever. Important for them to start good financial behavior and learn good habits. What are some of the things we recommend for the youngins, whatever age they are?
So we do offer a New Dreams checking account for our teens. That's for 13 years old to 17. And this checking account has limits. It doesn't allow them to go overdrawn. And of course, a parent signs for the kids for the New Dreams checking account. This way, their kids, our young folks, will learn how to budget and spend money and see exactly where their money is going, just like their parents. And I think that will help them understand how mom and dad or grandma and grandpa's, where their money goes and see that it doesn't stay in your account forever. So it basically helps them how to budget. We also here help them how to budget. We always, like I said before, that when we have a relationship with our members, and we've had several when they start really young, and you watch them grow, it helps us feel good because you're giving them all the information they need. When we were younger, our parents didn't do that, and now we go to schools and we talk about it. We talk about it at home. We talk about whenever anybody comes in and there's a young teenager wanting to open an account. We walk them and we leave the door open for them so they can ask us questions on, like, what is a checking account? How do I work a checking account? What is a debit card? Because a lot of our young folks don't know any of that. So we try to make sure we educate them on all of that.
Very nice. Very, very nice. So final tips, ladies. We'll let you guys both kind of wrap this thing up. Any final tips for people that have financial goals for this year? Sandra, your final thoughts, and then Sonia will go with you.
Okay.
Well, my final thoughts is, like I said, basically, everybody wants to save money. So, of course, we're right here to help you. Either if it's your your plan to purchase a vehicle, I mean, we could help you with that. Or if you want to just consolidate all your credit card, we could do that as well. We do personal loans to consolidate credit cards as well. Mm-hmm. And my personal, obviously, as me working here at NuMark, I mean, it's helped me basically, it's helped me want to save money. So one of my goals for this year is basically to pay off my credit cards because I want to save money as well.
Good. That's a good thing. And Sonia, what about you?
So one of the hardest things about saving is getting started. So they definitely need to just get everything in front of you. Look at all your spending. Where can I save money? Be committed, be disciplined. And it's hard, but once you get started on that, everything falls into place and it becomes a little easier. It's just facing. Sometimes we don't want to look at our statements or look at our debt, but face them. Get them down. Come in, and we can help you guys out.
First step on the journey is saying, I want to do something. Got to be motivated to do it, or you're not going to do it. So, ladies, thank you so much. I'm happy to have you on today. Happy New Year, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you again down the road.
Happy New Year. Thank you so much for everything.
All right, guys, take care. All right, you bet. That's Sonia Garay, Regional Branch Manager, and Sandra Palma, Branch Manager from NuMark Credit Union. All right, now, dramatic pause, the giveaway. $25 Visa gift card compliments of NuMark Credit Union. Here's the question today, 815-254-7300. What is the most important thing when saving money? There's a lot of great information they gave you, a lot of tips, but it was at the very beginning of our time together. And I asked them, what's the most important thing? 815-254-7300. 815-254-7300. Hi, good morning. You're on WJOL. Who's this?
This is John from Lockport.
Hi, John from Lockport. What's the most important thing, Johnny?
Write down all your expenses.
Write down all your expenses is, well, there are actually three different things. You got to want to do it. You got to write down your expenses. And there was a third one, too. And that was keep track. Keep track and go back and update and look and see where your progress is. So you got one of the three, Johnny. Nicely done, my friend. You just got yourself $25. See, you're already saving in 2025. How about that?
Nice way to start it, and thank you, NuMark.
You got it. John, do you know where the NuMark is at Crest Hill?
I do.
Okay, stop by there anytime. They'll have a $25 gift card waiting for you. Make sure you bring your ID.
All right, thanks, Scott.
Thanks, pal. We appreciate that very, very much. And don't forget, you could grow your money your way. NuMark Credit Union is offering 4.25 APY for terms of 13 months. It's a CD IRA special. Act now. Available only for a limited time. Other rates and terms available. Federally insured by NCUA. Call 815-729-3211 or visit a NuMark office near you. NuMark Credit Union, where you are family.